Welcome to Yashvidya Academy. General Science. Standard 6. Important questions and answers. Answer the following questions. What are the types of galaxies? Answer. The types of galaxies fall from their shape. The major types of galaxies are spiral, elliptical, barred spiral and irregular. When can we say that displacement has taken place? Answer. It would be said that the displacement occurred when the position or place of any object changed. What is a speed? Answer. The distance traversed by an object in unit time is called the speed of that object. What are the non-conventional energy resources? Answer. Unconventional and continuously available sources of energy, which were not used, are called non-conventional sources of energy. For example, solar energy, wind energy, marine energy, hydropower, nuclear energy, energy from ocean waves. From where does our body get energy? Answer. Our body gets energy from the food we eat. What is meant by weight? Answer. The gravitational force acting on an object is called the weight of that object. Why is this so? A bicycle is said to be a complex machine. Answer. A bicycle is made from combination of many simple machines. The pedals, the handle, the wheels and the axle all are simple machines. In combination they work together. Therefore a bicycle is said to be a complex machine. Travelers' bags have wheels. Answer. The wheel is a simple machine. If you want to lift a heavy bag, you have to work harder for it. Instead, it is easier to pull on the wheels. It takes less time and less energy to pull a bag. Therefore, the traveler's bag has wheels. Jupiter is said to be a stormy planet. Answer. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It rotates around itself at a tremendous speed. Jupiter is said to be a stormy planet as there are always huge storms on this planet. Machines are oiled from time to time. Answer. Machines are used to save our energy and time. Machines working on mechanical force should work efficiently. If they are not oiled, a frictional force can be generated between the surfaces of this machine. If the frictional force is high, the speed and efficiency of the machine decreases, so the machines are oiled from time to time. Write whether the following objects are luminous or non-luminous. Answer. Object. Luminous, non-luminous. A torch. Luminous. A tire. Non-luminous. A light bulb. Luminous. A pencil. Non-luminous. A pen. Non-luminous. A book. Non-luminous. A waxed cloth. Non-luminous. A burning candle. Luminous. Which machines will you use to do the following work? Write their types. Work. Machine. Type of a machine. To hold a popper for roasting it. A pair of tongs. Lever. To lift bricks to the top of a tall building. A wheel and rope to pick up the heavy load. Pulley. To draw water from a well. Water wheel and rope. Pulley. To cut vegetables. Knife or cutter. Wedge. To remove the lid of a tin. Can opener. Inclined plane. Screw. Match the pairs. Group A. Group B. Mirror. A magnet. Reduce. Potential energy. Stretched bow. Reflection. Earth. Hottest. Ball and socket joint. Kinetic energy. Rolling object. Muscular force. An ox pulling a cart. Shoulder. Answer. Mirror. C. Reflection. Reduce. D. Hottest. Stretched bow. B. Potential energy. Earth. A. A magnet. Ball and socket joint. G. Shoulder. Rolling object. E. Kinetic energy. An ox pulling a cart. F. Muscular force.
Fill in the blanks with the proper words.
There is repulsion between the like poles of magnet and attraction between its opposite poles. Star is a natural source of light. The structure of a complex machine is complicated. The capacity that an object has for doing work is called energy. If a ball is released from a terrace of a building, it comes down in non-uniform linear motion.
Fill in the blanks with the proper words.
Lonar Lake in Maharashtra is formed by the impact of a meteorite. The planet Uranus appears as if it is rolling along its orbit. When magnetic material is taken close to a magnet, the material acquires induced magnetism. A shadow is formed when an opaque object comes in the way of light.
Fill in the blanks with the proper words.
In 1990, NASA launched the Hubble telescope in the orbit of the Earth. Cells of the epidermis contain a pigment called melanin. One laborer carried 4 pans of rolled metal through a distance of 100 meters, If he carries 2 pans of road metal through a 200-meter distance, equal work will be done. The place where 2 or more bones are connected is called a joint.
Fill in the blanks with the proper words.
The force of friction always acts against the motion. The kite looking for its prey flies with circular motion in the sky. Say if the statements given below are right or wrong. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Right. The human skeleton protects the internal organs. Right. Venus is the planet closest to the Sun. Wrong. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. Mercury is called a stormy planet. Wrong. Jupiter is called a stormy planet. The poles of a magnet can be separated. Wrong. The poles of a magnet cannot be separated. Say if the statements given below are right or wrong. Bones are soft. Wrong. Bones are hard. Magnetism is a kind of energy. Right. Find the odd one out. Diesel, crude oil, natural gas, wind, wind. Others are non-renewable fossil fuels. Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Earth, Pluto. Others are planets. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Sunlight, wind, waves, petrol, petrol. Others are renewable energy resources. Find the odd one out. A running car, hauling a log, a book kept on a table, picking up the school bag. A book kept on table. Others are showing displacement and thus possess kinetic energy. Planet, dwarf planet, asteroid, satellite, satellite. Others revolve around the sun. Satellite revolves around the planet. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Uranus, Uranus. Others are inner planets. Identify the types of motion. The plucked string of a sitar. Oscillatory motion. Movement of a ceiling fan. Oscillatory motion. Circular motion. A rocket launched from the ground. Linear motion. A meteor falling from the sky. Linear motion. A fish swimming in water. Random motion. Movement of the earth around the sun. Circular motion. Periodic motion. Which magnet will you use? You are lost in a forest. Magnetic needle or magnet. Iron is to be separated from trash. Electromagnet. A window shutter opens and shuts continuously in the wind. Permanent magnet. Classify the energy resources into conventional and non-conventional groups. Wind energy. Petrol. Duncakes. Atom of uranium. Natural gas. Sun. Diesel. Waves of the ocean. Answer: conventional, non-conventional, petrol, dung cakes, natural gas, diesel. Wind energy, atom of uranium, sun, waves of the ocean. Put the right mark at the proper places. The layer of skin below the network of blood vessels and nerve fibers is called epidermis, dermis, glandular layer, subcutaneous layer. Answer is subcutaneous layer. The is seen in fingers and toes. Hinge joint, immovable joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint. Answer is hinge joint. The system which gives a definite shape to our body is excretory system, respiratory system, circulatory system, skeletal system. Answer is skeletal system. The main function of sweat is to reduce the body temperature, remove the excess water, keep the skin moist, making the body hot. Answer is reduce the body temperature. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.